Hello, everyone! Starting November 10th, Misterworker is launching exclusive Black Friday deals dedicated to Makita. Enjoy incredible discounts on professional-grade tools, from cordless power solutions to high-performance machines. Makita is a benchmark in professional power tools. With over a century of Japanese engineering excellence, the brand continues to lead through innovation and reliability. From advanced cordless systems like LXT and XGT to smart technologies such as AVT and AWS, Makita perfectly combines power and precision. At Misterworker, we proudly offer the widest Makita catalog, especially during this Black Friday season. Discover the full range of Makita tools available during our Black Friday event, with discounts up to 60%. Drills, impact drivers, grinders and circular saws, miter saws, and chainsaws, combining performance with safety and control. And the heart of it all, Makita's advanced lithium-ion batteries, ensuring superior runtime and reliability on every job. Elevate your productivity with genuine Makita power tools at unbeatable prices. Visit Misterworker.com to explore all Makita Black Friday offers and experience Japanese engineering that defines performance, durability, and innovation.
Misterworker, work tools for professionals.